I'm very happy that Anjali has won, and I owe this victory to my Sarpanch and the Panch members who worked and supported Anjali to reach where she is now. Special thanks to all the people of Talegaon who voted and have reposed their trust in us once again, because they know that we work towards the development and work for the people of Talegaon.
Madam, this time the voting was.
Feel that these people should get the powers which they should get.
See, Goa is a very small state, okay, and this three-tier system is actually tailor-made for bigger states, wherein the states are so huge, so they have power. They have how would you say, powers are given to the Zilla Panchayat and the Panchayat. But here in Goa is a very small state, and we have panchayats which are more powerful. But I think if the government maybe increases the funds for Zilla Panchayat, I think they will be able to work a little better and do more development work.
Madam, last time the voting was very low turnout. What do you will say on that?
There are different reasons also. I think because of COVID, I think people have not come out to vote. People were a little hesitant about coming out to vote because of COVID. So that is, I think, one of the main reasons why the turnout was low. And otherwise also, Zilla Panchayat elections, turnout is never really huge. It's much lesser than the other elections.
Ma'am, last time you was with Congress and you on the same seat. Today you are with BJP, you on the again. And we have seen that Santa Cruz seat already BJP lost. What do you want to say on that?
See, I really cannot comment on Santa Cruz because it's not my constituency.
Suppose you are with Congress today, what will be the result?
I am with BJP today.
Yeah, today you are the BJP. That's why I am asking you. Last time you were with the Congress, the same candidate on the Congress ticket. So if it would have been BJP, Congress, so the result will be the same.
You are asking me about Santa Cruz?
Yeah.
No, I am asking about Santa Cruz and even Talegaon also.
No, I cannot comment on Santa Cruz, but Talegaon, I think it's. I only have to thank the people, like I said, because they trusted in us. They voted for Anjali.
तालिगांवची लोकांच्या खातीर जी कामां आसली आमची फाटली उरली ती जिल्ल्याची ती हांव पूर्ण करतलें.
आणि या तुमच्या विनान तुम्ही कोणाक हे चड दिता?
मॅडमीक आनी सराक बाबुशाक.
ओके.
आनी सरपंच, पंच मेंबर, कावन्सिलर आनी बीजेपीचे कार्यकर्ते आनी तालिगांवचे सगळे लोक.
गव्हर्नमेंट तुमकां पावर्स दिना त्याच्या बद्दल तुम्ही आता प्रयत्न करतले आणि करपा जाय तुका दिसना?
हय करतलें न्ही, करतलें. हय. 2229.